The Year 12 Specialist Mathematics project can feel like a mountain, but it's not just a final exam. It's your chance to become a mathematical investigator, to use advanced concepts to tell a story about the real world. The core task is to blend at least two different fields of mathematics. Think about modeling the complex flow of an electrical circuit. You'd be combining complex numbers to handle the alternating current with differential equations to describe how the circuit behaves over time. Or maybe you're passionate about computer graphics. You could use vectors and matrices to figure out the most efficient way to rotate a 3D object on a screen. You could even model the population dynamics of an endangered species, using calculus for growth models and statistics to validate your predictions against real-world data. Your project follows the path of any great investigation. You start by defining your problem and its context. Then you lay out your mathematical toolkit, the theories and techniques you'll use. The analysis is where you do the heavy lifting, the calculations, derivations, and problem solving, showing every step of your reasoning. Finally, you present your results, discuss their implications, what they mean, their limitations, and conclude with a summary of what you discovered. This isn't just about proving you can do the sums. It's about demonstrating mathematical sophistication. A project on generating fractals, for example, doesn't just use complex numbers. It explores iteration, sequences, and convergence, connecting abstract algebra to stunning visual art. It shows you can see the deep links between different ideas. So, the key isn't just to pick a topic, but to choose a problem you're genuinely curious about. Start early, show your thinking clearly, and tell the mathematical story only you can.